All right, we are up here looking for mossy agate and jasper and all kinds of good stuff. And there's a lot of pieces everywhere. And then we got a little buddy. That's a decent one right there. Little buddy. Oh, he moved back. He's over there. Oh, he's right there. He is really hard to see. We got us a rattlesnake. Here, he's buzzing now. No, he's real quiet. Well, yeah, could be. Nope. All right, we'll leave him alone. Anyways, there's lots of cool stuff to find up here. Okay, yeah, he's right down, tucked in that tiny little crevice. Can't even see him. Okay. Bye-bye.